Alright, so we're back. Took the valve cover off, took the oil pan off, dug through the oil pan when I took it off, see if there's any metal in it. Didn't find any. First I found was the rest of the valve seals on it. But what we've been doing is we painted the block, been painting all the little things for it, pulleys, some brackets, and what we've also been going through, the bolts. We're going to clean every bolt with the wire wheel and just everything. We've got the water pump where they came out of and marked just for future reference. We've also got the timing chain marked. Oil pan doesn't matter. Water pump, every bolt we've taken off the front just so I don't forget them. What we've been doing is cleaning, painting, sandblasting cabinet. And what we've been doing is going back and forth. Whenever the compressors kick in, I'll go back to the bolts. Got the oil pan, it's being blasted, so compressor kicks in, I'll either do another layer of paint or go do the bolts. Compressor kicks off, we go back to sandblasting in that order, and just been doing it over and over. This isn't the funnest stuff to watch, but that's what we're doing today. Alright, so we're back. So I thought I'd just show it. For spray painting, you just like to put the can in hot water, get it all going. Now it's just normal hot water. Nothing special, but we're gonna go ahead and paint this. Oil pan, another coating of primer. Thought we'd just show you. Nothing special, we're just spray painting it. Just keep the wet line going, and I can see I missed one, so I'm gonna get it again. And I did forget to get a couple of the dents out. Probably should have knocked them out before I painted it, because now it'll just take the paint off. But that's fine. So we're gonna get back to doing the bolts, and I think I'm gonna have to replace the water pump ones. They're just really eaten, and I don't trust them. Might as well just replace them if you can buy them. So get some grade 8s and just keep going. Hey, we're back once again. So we got the oil pan painted, valve cover, timing chain cover, harmonic balancer, just some odds and ends for holding the fuel line, something to go around the oil filter, timing marker. We got all the bolts cleaned up. Now I know there's probably easier ways to do it, it's just what I like to do. Oil pan, not 100% sure, but they look good. So we're gonna come back and finish up some stuff, and should be that.